Welcome. In front of me I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I will show you how you can check your battery information like temperature, battery health or battery capacity. So we have to simply open Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Ampere. That's the application that we are going to use. It's from the Brain Trap, so we have to install that app. Right now we can open and click agree, close and tap OK in the left bottom corner. As you can see right now this application is enabled, so when you swipe on the right we will get other theme of the same data, and as you can see here we got the maximum capacity of our battery in this place. There's the battery health, and also we'll get the temperature of our battery, so currently it's 28 Celsius. Oh yeah, and we got also here the charge rate and the max USB currency. We got also data like manufacturer, Android version, build ID, model and currently status. So if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.